Hello everyone, this is Gayatri. Hope you all are doing good. Be safe, study well. Today's topic is the digestive system. What we are going to learn at the end of the session is new words of the chapter. What is digestion? Organs involved in digestion. Some of the new words in this chapter, the digestive system, are: first word, salivary gland. A gland that produces saliva. We all know a watery fluid is present in our mouth. It is called saliva. This saliva is secreted by a gland called salivary gland. Secretion, which is nothing but produces. Secretes means produces. So these salivary glands are located on both the sides of the jaw. The next word is esophagus. It is a long muscular tube that joins the mouth to stomach. See, in this word, the first letter is O, but we have to pronounce it as esophagus. It is also called as food pipe. Whatever the food we are intaking through mouth, that food reaches our stomach with the help of this food pipe. This food pipe is a long muscular tube which joins mouth to stomach. Next word is small intestine. It is a long, narrow, coiled tube which absorbs most of the nutrients from digested food. Coiled. See, I hope, have you all seen a mosquito repellent coil or else spring? Have you all seen the structure of the spring? It will be like coiled structure. Okay. The same way the small intestine will be. That's why we are saying small intestine is a coiled tube. This small intestine absorbs all the nutrients from the digested food. The size of the small intestine is approximately 6 meters long. Next new word is large intestine. A long, thick tube-like organ which absorbs water from the undigested food and helps in the removal of solid waste from the body through the anus. See, this large intestine, the food from the small intestine, that the remaining food, that is whatever the nutrients which the small intestine absorbs, and the remaining food goes to the large intestine. This large intestine absorbs water in that undigested food, and the main function of the large intestine is it helps in the removal of solid waste from our body through the anus. The size of the large intestine is approximately 1.5 meters long. Liver. It filters harmful substances entering into the blood. It secretes bile juice. Pancreas. Pancreas helps in the digestion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins present in our food. Pancreas produces pancreatic juice. Liver and pancreas also helps in the digestion. What is digestion? Digestion is a process. It is a simple process by which food is converted into a simpler form so that it can be used by our body to get energy and nourishment is known as digestion. See, let us assume we are eating idli or chapati, anything. So, we will take a small pieces of chapati and we are intaking it through our mouth. And then by chewing and then swallowing, it will reach us and it will digest. So, by food, that complex form is converted into simpler form, which is done by our body to get energy. This process is known as digestion. So in other words, we can say digestion is a simple process where large insoluble food particles are broken down into smaller water-soluble molecules so that they can be absorbed by blood and give energy to different parts of our body. This is the diagram of digestive system. See, the food starts entering into the mouth, through it reaches esophagus and then it reaches stomach. So it keeps on going. So this process of digestion we will discuss in the next class. Now we are going to see organs involved in the digestive system. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, salivary glands, liver and pancreas. Answer the following. What is digestion? Which gland secretes saliva? What is the function of pancreas? Name the organs involved in the digestive system. Draw the diagram of digestive system and label the parts. Refer chapter 1, the digestive system, page number 10 in Science Concept book.